I'm in Rotterdam today, running the Rebuild Rotterdam Run. On the 14th of May, 1940, Rotterdam got bombed by the Germans in World War II. The 18th of May, they started making plans to rebuild Rotterdam. So on the 18th of May, they remember rebuilding Rotterdam. And today, we're remembering it on the run by passing through and by a lot of buildings that they started rebuilding then. Today's run is organized by the Rotterdam Running Crew. They organize weekly runs, and every so often they have a special run with exceptional locations. So if you need some extra motivation to go out running and you want to join the running crew, then if you're in Rotterdam, join the Rotterdam Running Crew. If you watched the video from last week, the urban trail in Rotterdam, we ran in Katendrecht, which over on that side, where we had to cross the Erasmusbrug. Now we're on the other side of the bridge, the center side of the city. They started rebuilding in 1940 and they are still building. That was the Rebuild Rotterdam Run. It was a lot of fun, organized by the Rotterdam Running Crew. I think my camera cut out right at the end there, so I missed part of the finish, but I enjoyed the run. It was a lot of fun. They organize different events once in a while, so I'm looking forward to their next event. If you enjoyed the video, let me know, give me a like down below, subscribe to the channel. Until next time, get out there and run.